Welcome to our Travel Payouts 101 series, where we will help you take off in the field of travel affiliate marketing. In this video, we'll explain how to choose a travel affiliate program that will drive a lot of conversions. Hello, and welcome back. This is another actionable video tutorial from Travel Payouts to fast-track your success in travel affiliate marketing. Affiliate programs you promote can make or break your affiliate business. But how can you pick a program that'll work for you? Let's jump in and find out. So, what factors do you need to keep in mind when choosing an affiliate program? One of the most important factors shaping your marketing strategy and program choice is your audience. Why? Because no matter what kind of marketing you do and how hard you try, you'll reap no results if the affiliate offers you promote don't strike a chord with your audience. So, before you start exploring partnership opportunities on Travel Payouts, take a closer look at your target audience. Find out what resonates with them most and what pain points they have. Then pick a program that will solve these pain points and generate a decent amount of income for you. It's a win-win situation. The relevancy of your content is another key factor. Make sure affiliate programs align with your content and niche. When picking a program in Travel Payouts, take a moment and consider whether or not you will be able to seamlessly integrate its affiliate offers into your content. If the answer is yes, sign up for the program. The third important factor is the type of project you use to promote your affiliate offers. In Travel Payouts, every program works with certain types of projects. Before you pick a program, go to the program description page, check out the terms and conditions, and make sure you qualify. Here's another big tip. Travel Payouts makes managing multiple affiliate programs super easy. So don't invest all your time and effort into a single program, no matter how big or high-paying it is. Start with 2 to 3 affiliate programs and, once you feel more confident with affiliate marketing, promote multiple programs. This will ensure affiliate commissions never stop rolling in and will boost your chances of affiliate success. What if the program you've chosen performs worse than expected? Don't stress, it's not the end of the world. There are a lot of partnership opportunities available on Travel Payouts. Feel free to join different programs, play around with tools and creatives, and see what performs best. They say experimenting and testing are at the heart of success in affiliate marketing. Let's wrap things up. Choose a program keeping in mind your audience, content, and type of traffic. Start off by promoting 2 to 3 affiliate programs, then diversify. Experiment with different programs and see which performs best. In the next tutorial, we'll teach you how to join programs with Travel Payouts in just a few clicks. Stay tuned. Now, it's time to explore affiliate programs on Travel Payouts and choose the programs that best fit your affiliate project. Good luck, and see you soon.